This jump demonstration shows the fourth quality tool, the Pareto plot. Our team is trying to solve a quality problem in our injection molding process. I've got data on different types of defects over shifts and cavities. Let's build a Pareto plot. I'll go to Analyze, Quality and Process, Pareto plot. Defect type is the cause of defects, and I'll put defect quantity in the frequency rule, so JMP will know how many of each defect type there are. I'll put cavity in the subcategory role, then click OK. I'll clean up the graph a bit by holding my Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac, then clicking the red triangle next to Plots. I'll turn off the Pareto line and Pareto markers, then click OK. Oh, I also want to change the subcategory bar style to stacked. Short shot defects in cavity 3 are responsible for about 3/4 of our defects.